Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of NFL fan gear with the Ultra Game NFL Women's Soft Mesh Varsity Striped T-shirt. If you're a Chargers fan looking to represent your team in style, this is the jersey for you. Now, let's break down what makes this jersey stand out from the rest. First off, it's officially licensed by the NFL, so you know you're getting authentic fan gear. Made from 100% polyester, this jersey offers a lightweight and breathable feel, perfect for game day or any day. One of the standout features of this jersey is the jersey striping detail at the bottom of the sleeves, adding a sporty and stylish touch. Plus, the screen-printed Chargers logo on the front ensures long-lasting quality and durability. But what about comfort? Well, this jersey doesn't disappoint. With a relaxed fit, long line hem, and subtle scoop neck, it offers guaranteed comfort for any activity. Whether you're cheering from the stands or lounging at home, you'll feel comfortable and stylish in this jersey. That wraps up today's review. If you're ready to show your Chargers pride in style, be sure to check out this jersey from Ultra Game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.